What is going on, everybody? Mike Reilly here. This week's training is going to be a little bit different, and it's in a little bit different of a style. So this is something that I've never done before live here on the podcast, but I'm going to walk you guys through exactly how I closed a management or co-hosting deal last week. It was from start to finish, took me about 13 days, but I'm going to share with you exactly how I found it using the UI method, 4 things that I said my company would do differently than Vacasa. Then I gave him exact revenue expectations on what I think my company would do versus his current company. And then also gave him a guarantee. I told him, hey, if you don't reach a certain revenue expectation, I will refund you $10,000 or I will manage for free until we do. And so I did this live on a training, and you need to be in the Short-Term Rental Secrets Facebook group in order to get that training, because I shared my screen and I can't do that over a podcast, but I wanted to share this with you guys. So I've got a link that is going to be in the description here. All you need to do is click that link, join the Facebook group. You're going to get access to that training in depth, shared my screen, exactly what I did. I'm going to actually give you my proposal template. I'm going to give you my deal analyzer template. That is all going to be in that training. You can also ask me questions as well, since you're going to be in the Facebook group, on how I did that. And I answered a lot of questions in there. So if you are growing your management company and you want to add more properties, you want to use the UI method, but you also want to figure out, hey, what do I do when I get the guy on the phone or the girl on the phone to get with them to meet with me again? And then what do I say to them? How do I put revenue expectations together? How do I show them that it's going to be better working with me than working with their current manager? And then how do I get them to actually sign and not ghost me all the time, or not, take 3 months to make a decision? So all of that is going to be done in the training. Again, it's going to be linked down below in the show notes. Just click that link, watch that training, engage with me, ask me questions, and we'll see you guys on the podcast next week.